getting hundred of clicks but still not booking enough tree removal jobs, there's a good chance your Google Ads is not actually attracting your buyers. I see this all the time. Business owners tell me I'm getting traffic every day, but when I'm check the account, most of the click comes from people asking how much to cut one branch or free tea removal. Those are not your buyers, I'm right. They are just consuming your budget. Usually the problem is broad keyword, missing native keywords or poor location targeting. So don't optimize for clicks, optimize for qualified leads because clicks don't pay your crew, booked job do. I'm right. So thank you so much. Take care.